Even just like 12 months ago, it would just be unthinkable to think that CZ from Binance, Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong, Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum Foundation CEO, and we're going to talk about the Ethereum price. But what I'm saying is, it would be unthinkable that 12 months ago, these guys would be meeting with the president at the White House for the first crypto summit in the White House. David Sachs, the AI and crypto czar to President Trump, announced this about nearly a week ago, that on March 7th, some of the most prominent founders, CEOs, and investors from crypto industry are going to meet. Why is that so important? Well, it's important not just because we know the World Liberty Finance Organization, Donald Trump's company, are buying Ethereum through just crazy amounts every single day, mainly because of these things. Bitcoin and crypto reserve to be sorted, to be discussed, to be confirmed. Potentially gold to be sold for Bitcoin. I mean, that's big. Better regulations incoming, capital flowing into Bitcoin, and 0% capital gains on crypto could be huge. We also know from a technical point of view, Ethereum on the low, medium, and higher time frame are all looking incredibly bullish. We need to talk about that, and I also want to end today's video on global liquidity and what that means for crypto and what it means for the total crypto market cap. I believe a strong altcoin season is underway. Let's talk about this Ethereum chart, I think most importantly, because tomorrow is going to be huge, and it's going to be huge for not all coins, but there are a few coins floating about, and pretty much these ones. These are the big winners of US crypto policy. You can see Ethereum and Bitcoin take up a big central position of that pie, but Solana, XRP, ADA, and a lot of these altcoins and meme coins as well. Feel free to take a screenshot of that, or you can head to my Twitter to look at that. But look at this. The first chart I want to show you for Ethereum is very interesting because 90% of the time historically for Ethereum, it shows us that we have an ETH CME gap at $2,600, and then we have a huge gap ranging from about $2,900 all the way up to $2,300. It's one of the reasons I'm holding this Ethereum trade open, but I also want to show you this chart, the weekly chart for Ethereum, going back from July 2022. The trend is still up. Yes, it's been very choppy the last, well, you could say the last year. It has been, because Ethereum hasn't gone anywhere in the last year technically. In fact, it's gone down. But we are at this strong level of support, this $2,000 level. I have talked strongly about this level on the channel, and I've also talked about March being the start of ETH spring, and I believe it will be. Every time this RSI has come down to these levels, Ethereum has pumped one way or another. Look at this chart for Ethereum. This goes back all the way from 2021. We're right at the bottom support line and horizontal support line for Ethereum. And why does this matter for global liquidity? Well, I was following this tweet earlier from Nick from 𝗕𝗬𝗕𝗫. You might know 𝗕𝗬𝗕𝗫 Guy, for example. 𝗕𝗬𝗕𝗫, very, very good channel. And it's another reason, this liquidity, why I keep these trades open and why I'm so bullish. By the way, that is some free crypto. I have had a few messages on Twitter telling me that they deposited $200-300 and you get a bonus on Blowfin. So link in the description for this page. If you deposit as little as $100, you can get $30 for free. If you want something of better value, deposit $500 or $1,000, you can get $200 or $450 for free to open up a position like these that I've got open. But I want to talk about the global liquidity and how it's about to flood the markets. Nick's gone on to say in the past 24 hours, there's been an extraordinary measure announced by two of the biggest economies in the world, China and Germany. They're basically going to start M2 again. M2, global liquidity on the up, dollar is down, good for risk assets. And what does it mean? Well, this yellow line is the global liquidity index. When it goes up, crypto goes up. When it consolidates, crypto consolidates, like it has been here. And it's now about to break out. Global liquidity is going to reach an all-time high. This is why I remain long in my long-term hodl, in my spot positions, not just because of these charts, not just because of the policy and what's going on in the White House. But yeah, I'm long on spot, particularly in Ethereum, and I'm long futures. 5x leverage on Ethereum, Bitcoin 15x leverage, Solana, I'm on 5x leverage. You can see some of my trades open here. Once again, guys, if you want to open a position, links in the description below. Let me know in the comments the direction you're trading right now. I think Friday's going to be very bullish. A lot of people think it's going to be a sell the news event, but I think it's going to ruffle up a lot of feathers and get a lot of the skeletons out of the closet. And I think it's going to allow a lot of confidence for investors to come back into the market. Could be huge. Let me know what you think. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.